Good morning. My speech is about global warming. Global warming is definitely the single greatest environmental challenge that the planet Earth is facing at the present. It is essential to understand the gravity of this situation. The fuel, which is used in order to power your homes, cars, and more, is heating up the planet faster than expected. We are recording the hottest days and decades ever. What's alarming is that the temperature of the Earth has climbed up to the highest point it has ever been in the past 12,000 years. It only gets worse from here if we don't stop it now. As the planet is getting hotter, we need to collectively act right now instead of waiting for more. The primary cause of global warming is fossil fuels. Human beings are addicted to burning them, which produces coal, air, greenhouse gases, and more. The power plants, cars, and industrial are producing carbon dioxide, which stays in the atmosphere for 5 decades or more. This is the reason why the temperature of the Earth rises. Due to this, the oceans are rising and the coral reefs are dying. Many aquatic species are going extinct while the glaciers are melting. You will be surprised to know that Greenland is losing 20% more mass than it receives from new snowfall. Furthermore, the Greenland and Western Antarctic ice sheets are at great risk of melting completely. Please note that these two ice sheets presently hold around 20% of the Earth's fresh water. The rise in sea levels will damage the coastal areas globally. Moreover, the regularity of hurricanes, tornadoes, and others may become more voltage, spreading malaria and other deadly diseases. It is high time to do something to prevent global warming, otherwise it will be irreversible. It is important to note that we must all come together to tackle global warming as a whole. Every home, business, industrial, individual efforts is required to tackle this crisis. We can begin with putting agriculture in the system. We must encourage farmers to adapt to greener farming practices as much as they must still land less and plant trees on vacant lands. Industrial produce of carbon dioxide needs to take action too. For instance, the transportation industries of cars, trucks, planes, and more produce 28% of carbon dioxide emissions. Therefore, we must reduce these emissions by enhancing the fuel efficiency of the vehicles. Also, it is high time we get rid of oil and gasoline-based fuels and opt for greener alternatives. On an individual level also, we must work to adapt a greener and healthier lifestyle. Walk more or take public transportation. Get into habit of recycling and avoid unnecessary wantage of goods. Save electricity by switching off appliances which not in use. Plant more trees, as a single tree can absorb 1 ton of CO2 in its lifetime. Thus, remember the change begins with you. Thank you.